appearing in court today for a competency hearing. News 2's Emma Charles was in the courtroom and joins us live in studio. And Emma will have to wait a little bit longer to find out where this trial goes.
Right. Good evening, Gabriel. At least another week. Today's hearing was to see if Travis Wilson Jr. was fit to stand trial. Now, this is an important factor because if he's deemed unfit, the court will be unable to proceed. DiLorenzo was the husband of then new College of Charleston Provost and Executive Vice President of Academic Affairs, Suzanne Austin. Police at the time said the couple was walking near the intersection of King and Clifford Streets when they were approached by juveniles armed with a gun who demanded money. They then shot DiLorenzo when he did not have anything of value. One of the juveniles involved, Darcellus Fishburne, pleaded guilty last month. Fishburne's defense attorney still maintaining that Fishburne was not the one to shoot DiLorenzo, instead saying it was Wilson who pulled the trigger. Today in the courtroom, Wilson's defense questioned a forensic clinical psychologist and MUSC psychiatry professor about their evaluations of Wilson.
He was administered an intelligence test and came out with a score of 54, an overall score of 54. The average score of an intelligence test is 100.
While they initially found Wilson competent in 2020 when he was arrested and charged after speaking to him in January this year, both experts found Wilson incompetent to stand trial, saying he has an intellectual disability, meaning there are limitations to Wilson's factual and rational understanding.
It was my opinion that he was not competent. It wasn't close for me. I thought, especially after a 6-year period of having several evaluations, regularly meeting with his attorney, and still having, at best, a rudimentary understanding of some of these concepts. To me, yeah, I had no, it was not close for me.
At the end of the hearing, Judge Roger Young questioned what was the difference between Wilson and other criminals he sees in the courtroom.
Arrested, and then a lot of them are not very bright. That's why they're here. What distinguishes him from the average person who is, again, not very bright?
To explain the difference is while other defendants are able to understand the charges and ongoing trial, Wilson may not have that comprehension. The hearing will continue next Tuesday at the Charleston County Courthouse. If he's found incompetent, criminal proceedings will be paused while the court determines next steps. In studio, I'm Emma Charles. Count on 2.